Well, he's not risking himself again for tires. Wow. Welcome to this beautiful view in the Allgäu in Bavaria.
My Germany, if it calls to you.
That's not typical around here, but they do have some llamas. Look, this is the town, and now we're taking a tour in a canyon. Let's see.
We're going to hike a trail, stay there, and don't miss it. See you.
Okay, this is how things look. People live in the Allgäu near the border with Austria. Guys, we made it into the last parking lot. It's completely full.
Get ready, everyone. We're doing the hike I mentioned.
In this German forest, let's see what welcomes us here.
We're going to look for something we find in that German forest. Maybe a bomb, maybe, I don't know, we'll see.
The World War II bomb.
Yes, many bombs in Germany remain unrecovered. People, that's scary, isn't it? We're looking for a goblin. What is that?
Hello, does Mr. Goblin live here?
Hello? Hello? I'm not going.
I'm not going. It's like a chair. A goblin lives here. Look, Nesta. Wow, what's that?
I don't know.
1, 2, but in Germany, I guess it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very military here.
Someone's being a clown today.
Germans are so militaristic. Seriously, thanks. Oh no, oh, I found the way. Let's go.
Guys, let's go too. And now I find a secret path.
One of the best paths I found, huh? A bad bet. Well,
This is what German forests look like. With lots of pine cones. Pines.
yes, so much hate.
The word piñas is more common in Latin America, right?
It's a destination with pine cones. It's a hiking trail. The Germans really know how I like trails.
See, it is.
Beautiful,
It's very mystical. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
wild, careful.
Went out again for a kayak tour. I fell.
Over here.
Huh? What's up with that log here?
That log wasn't cut by a person. That log was cut by a beaver. And let me tell you something. It built quite a structure. Tell me, what does it look like to you?
Thank you.
Oh no!
That plane is at it again. Very active in the first few minutes, right? That looks like a station you control, like at the border, right?
And to enter this park, it's €5.
Let's go. Do you have it? No way, I'm not paying that. Let's go.
Let's wait for the people and charge people here. Just kidding. Just kidding. 1, 2, 1.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
What's going on?
That's how people are in the summer. There's a better walk without the shade. What's that? The cross. Interesting trail. Look, the Germans did a good job. Thank you. Interesting place here. We went up. It's like a canyon.
Thank you. Wow, thank you. Thank you. It's a canyon.
Hey guys.
There's a river.
Thank you. A river. Yes, yes, it looks nice. Moldy ice. Interesting. Wow, look guys, roots on the floor. Everything here looks very handcrafted. Watch your step, don't fall, okay? Yes, I'm always holding onto the floor. Wow, I see the viewpoint for Ivana. Do you see it too? Further ahead, look at it here. Wow, amazing. Woohoo!
Looking at the river over there.
I'm going to look so you can see too.
Be jealous because I'm seeing something really good. Look at that, Mommy. A river with a little beach.
A river.
All right, let's keep going, okay?
No woohoo bridge. What's more, 3 people, maximum 3 people on this bridge, guys. Be careful.
Look at him.
Look at him. Look at him. It's okay. Quick, Ivana. It could fall. Wow. There's the log. What's wrong with this one?
It's as if I had legs like yours with a pink shoe. No way, my friend. Oh.
And now we see on top of this rock what the current is like here. Very strong. Can't you see that current?
I'm not gonna leave scared. Very strong.
Very...
I don't think it's for swimming at all. This is just for observing.
Let's continue, but go down. Thank you. Okay, easy. Look, that's the hand. Wow.
That's how people go crazy. Wow, Ivana.
What is this?
What is weird?
A kind of clay.
It looks like a mushroom. Yes. Okay, Anna, look, it's spectacular here. Here we have a waterfall. All right. Prusa here. Come up here and I can help if you want.
What do you want, Diego?
Let's check out this jacuzzi. Do you see it?
Which one?
Just keep going here. We're going to take you to a place full of moa. Doesn't this look terrific?
How much?
I see one. Look, I can see the fountain here. Can you see it? From here.
Oh.
Be careful here. The path isn't slippery, but you can get there. Getting in here isn't that easy. Here's the jacuzzi, Anna. Are you getting in? No.
Very wild. That's just for watching.
Anna, that little horse?
Oh, Dad, please. If I get on a horse, what are you going to do?
Look at this paradise here. Yes?
It's a paradise.
Honestly, it's a tough road to get here.
Let's do a report.
But it's spectacular. It looks like Melandia.
Who has to pay for the stone road?
I know!
Don't try this at home, okay? Just so I can say I'm a professional. Colombia conquers Bavaria. Hello, Bavaria.
Well, that's the real path in the canyon now. That's only for professionals. Don't do that at home. No, no, no.
Wow, awesome.
Whoa, Fiona! Did you find the waterfall? Yes?
The one I told you about. A little mosque walks in the corner and hasn't gotten lost. Mine isn't that complicated either, you know?
Wow.
We're arriving.
A lot.
Things ours. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Are you going in, Fiona? You have to cross. Here you go. Let's go to the launch up to this one. All good, all good. Okay, someone is ready now. What happened?
Very cold.
Whoa! That looks spectacular, guys. My turn now. Two, zwei, eins, zwei. Oh, oh, oh.
Dad, go ahead.
3, 2.
1. Yay! Woo!
Wow, what a show. This place is unique in Germany. Alright, and now the head first jump. Wow.
Nice one. All right, everyone. All the acts and activities here are performed exclusively by Joanna Expedition. Do not try this at home. Only Joanna, bye.
Wow, you can see everything from here.
Here's the waterfall, guys. It's spectacular and makes you want to jump in.
Alright, Joanna Expedition, let's continue.
Club Aventura, let's continue. Wow, wow, wow. Hey, no, hey.
Wow, look guys. Hey, well, from up here it doesn't look that spectacular, to be honest. But that's the thing, and it's awesome.
Don't get me wrong, this is only in Bavaria, not in Germany. Wow.
It's traditional.
That's traditional from Germany. Look, they have good food, good cuisine.
I've got the typical schnitzel with fries. Joanna has the
Favorite of something delicious.
3 with special sauce, right?
Let's try it.
Time to try it. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
It has something called meritish. It's a radish.
I like it.
Okay guys, that's it. We're out.
We're out. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in this place called Allgäu.
And that's the map. Did you see exactly where we are located on that map? Okay, hours later?
50,000 hours later, here, right?
Let me see. I need to check too. Yes, Rettenberg. Here we are. I think so, right?